Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix horizontal lines on Android phone. So what are basically horizontal lines? Let me gonna show you a picture. I have searched on Google. So here is the problem. Many of the people are facing like that. So if there is a software problem, then you guys can follow me and you guys can fix this issue. So for that, if your screen is facing issue like this, then you have to just simply uh, swipe up from the notification bar, and here you have to just simply turn on the dark mode, or you have to just simply open up your phone settings and simply search for dark mode. So you have to just simply switch to your dark mode. So what dark mode can do is dark mode can remove those white lines from the display. That's why you will not be able to see that on the screen. So this is the first solution. So if you are unable to remove those lines, then you have to just simply don't worry about it. You have to just simply open up your phone settings, and you have to just simply scroll down. After just simply scrolling down, you have to just simply open up your software, or you have to just simply search for software. So I'm just searching for software. So if you have to just simply search for software, and if there is any update available on the software, so you have to just simply update your system software. So you have to make sure that you have just simply update your system software via just opening up your phone settings, and the user interface might be changed, but you have to just simply follow my steps. So after updating your system, your issue will be resolved. If your issue is still not resolved, then this means this is the hardware issue on your panel, on your phone screen or panel. So you have to just simply contact with your mobile repair. So after contacting with that mobile repairer, you have to simply solve your issue, and your issue will be resolved. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.